After login, you'll be taken to an overview of your account. If you already set up a campaign, a report will be displayed there. Before continuing with setting up your sign-up form or landing page, you'll need to create an audience list if you haven't done so already. To create an audience list, click Audience on the menu at the top of your screen. If you have not yet created an audience list in your account, then you'll see a button labeled Create Audience. Otherwise, click the drop-down menu below Current Audience and click View Audiences from the drop-down. Then click the Create Audience button. Now that you have an audience to store signups, it's time to create a campaign. If you've already created a campaign you'd like to use, then click Campaigns from the menu at the top left of your screen and select the campaign you'd like to edit. If you haven't set up a campaign yet, click the Create button at the top right next to your name. In the pop-up, you can see several different campaign types. You can use different campaign types depending on what your goal is. For example, if I was going to promote my sign-up on a social media page, I would probably use the landing page type so I can link it directly to my social media post. For our example, we are wanting a sign-up form that can be embedded on a web page and capture organic search traffic. Click Sign-up Form at the bottom of the list of campaign types. Then select the audience list from the drop-down labeled Select a List and click Begin. Next, you'll design your sign-up form. To customize your sign-up form, click Sign-up Forms from the horizontal menu. Then click Form Builder. By default, you will see a customizable form where fields can be added or removed and required fields can be defined. You may find you don't need certain fields, such as a street address field. In order to preserve data on audience lists you'll be adding to over time and combining data with other audience lists, it's best to set the field visibility of the unneeded fields from visible to hidden. Otherwise, deleting the field could corrupt audience lists when you combine or export data. If you are happy with the classic sign-up form, then continue to the next step. After you're happy with your sign-up form, you need to edit all the automated emails that someone may receive from your campaign. To do this, first, download our bundle of email newsletter templates from your template library. These templates are pre-filled with marketing language proven to help connect subscribers with your brand so they remember who you are and why they signed up, which increases the likelihood of a positive interaction and reduces the likelihood that they will mark you as spam and quit opening your emails. Second, open our templates and personalize the content so your emails will have a shared marketing message and properly refer to your brand. Third, replace the default templates in MailChimp by following the next step. You can edit the automated emails related to your campaign by logging into your MailChimp account and navigating to the Form Builder. If you don't know how to get back to the Form Builder, then you can follow these steps. After logging into your MailChimp account, click Audience from the main menu. Then open the drop-down menu below Current Audience and click View Audiences. Then click the campaign you want to edit. Then click Sign-up Forms. Then click Form Builder. Below the horizontal menu, you will see the headline Form Builder. Below that, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Forms and Response Emails. This is where many people get confused. This drop-down menu will allow you to access and edit every single sign-up form, landing page, and automated email associated with this campaign. Generally, any items in the Forms and Response Emails drop-down menu that end in the word page are referring to landing pages that subscribers will see after they subscribe, unsubscribe, or edit their subscriber profile. This is also the case for items ending in the word form. Almost all other items in the list will represent an automated email that may be sent to subscribers depending on whether they are subscribing, unsubscribing, or editing their subscriber profile. Now you're done, unless you want to create an automatic welcome email or promote email subscribers by using MailChimp to give away free digital items via email sign-up, also known as an opt-in freebie. To set up an opt-in freebie with MailChimp, you'll need to first upload your freebie files so they can be linked with your automated emails. To upload your files, you can upload them into MailChimp's Content Manager by clicking on Content from the main menu at the top of your screen. Take note, some file formats are not allowed to be uploaded into MailChimp's Content Manager. Once your files are uploaded into the MailChimp Content Manager, we need to create the welcome email that your subscribers will receive after signup. In this welcome email, you will be able to customize the text and link to the opt-in freebie content you are offering. Click on Campaigns in the main menu at the top of your screen. From the Current Audiences drop-down menu, select the audience list you previously created for this freebie. Then click Create Campaign and select Email from the pop-up. On the next screen, you will see several options: regular, automated, plain text, and A/B test. Click Automated. On the next screen, below Create an Automation Email, click Welcome New Subscribers. If you don't see this option, then click through the Options menu listed below the Create an Automation Email headline. Then you will see a screen that says Welcome New Subscribers. There are 3 options of emails on this screen, but for our opt-in freebie campaign, we only need to use the Welcome Message option. In the field below, you can customize your campaign name and select your associated audience list from the Select a List drop-down menu. Then click Begin. The next screen is the Welcome Message screen, and will allow you to design your welcome email by clicking Design Email. The first screen you will see when you design your email will be the Email Information screen. Enter the information and click Next. Now you can use one of MailChimp's templates or a template you already created for a campaign by clicking Campaigns. If you don't see the campaign email you already created, click the drop-down menu and select Drafts or another option, then select the email you want to use. The editor is easy to use and can create beautiful emails. To link your freebie you uploaded to the MailChimp Content Manager, it's a lot like linking a URL on a website or in an email. Just select the button or text you want to link, then click the Edit icon. Set the web address to the URL related to the file in the Content Manager. To do this, you may need to open a second tab. This will take you back to the Welcome Message screen. If you're done editing or creating emails for your campaign, click Next at the bottom right. Other options on this page will allow you to set triggers at different day intervals. This will allow you to send an automated email to deliver the freebie, then have an automated email sent 3 days later asking the subscriber how they liked the freebie, if they have any questions, etc. You could even set up multiple freebies to be delivered days apart. Now you'll be sent to a Ready to Send Review Your Workflow page, and you are finally ready to launch your opt-in campaign. Click Start Sending at the bottom right and your opt-in freebie is live. Have questions about how to run a successful email marketing or opt-in freebie campaign? We'd love to hear from you. Give us a call or message us on our Contact Us page for a free consultation. Thanks for watching.